Welcome to an introduction to MarineMap, the online marine protected area decision support tool. MarineMap was developed by our consortium for California's Marine Life Protection Act initiative to offer an easy way to draw prospective marine protected areas, or MPAs, propose prospective MPAs, and view MPA proposals that are being considered. There are a number of scientific guidelines for developing MPA proposals that MarineMap presents in an easily understandable fashion. Currently, the MLPA initiative is focused on the north coast of California. The MLPA North Coast Study Region is outlined here in yellow, from the California-Oregon border south to Alder Creek, and extending from shore at the mean high tide line seaward out to 3 nautical miles, the extent of California state waters. Anyone may visit the MarineMap website, either by directly visiting northcoast.marinemap.org or by visiting our homepage at marinemap.org, clicking Launch MarineMap DST, and choosing a study region. While some functionality of MarineMap is restricted to registered, logged-in users, a majority of the application is freely available to be accessed by the public without an account. When first visiting the site, or after an update, the News section will be visible on the sidebar to the left. This is where both registered users and the public can find out the latest information about MarineMap. Navigation in MarineMap is based on Google Earth technology, so conveniently users can navigate MarineMap using those same skills, using the scroll wheel or double-clicking to zoom, and by dragging the map to pan. Since this is a 3D environment, tilting and moving around in space is also possible. A list of helpful tips for navigation can be found on the Help page, along with additional screencasts and frequently asked questions. MarineMap uses a basic layout to access MPA shapes, such as the MPA proposals shown here, tools, such as search and measure functions, and data layers, which can be viewed by expanding a data theme and then checking the box next to the data layer you'd wish to view. Information about a data point can be accessed by clicking on a feature you would like to explore, and accessing metadata for an entire dataset is as easy as clicking on the dataset name in the sidebar. Metadata is information about the data, such as who created the data, when it was created, and what is contained in the dataset. In order to access the MPA and array creation functionality of MarineMap, users are required to log in. Members of the general public can create their own accounts by clicking on the Register link and following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, the Public Proposals tab is replaced by 2 tabs called My Shapes and Shared with Me. Shapes consist of user-created data, including both MPAs and MPA arrays. The My Shapes tab will allow users to create, edit, and view their own shapes, and the Shared with Me tab allows users to access and copy shapes that have been shared with them by others. In one scenario, a user might want to turn on data layers that are important to them, and then create an MPA to capture certain features. For example, we might be interested in capturing hard bottom habitat and kelp canopy. Let's turn on those data layers. To begin drawing, click My Shapes, Create New, and then Marine Protected Area. And then Draw Shape to begin. When you are satisfied with the shape you have drawn, double-click to finish, and then submit the shape to clip the polygon to the study region boundary and begin entering attributes. Included in the attributes section are MPA name, designation, allowed uses, and additional MLPA specific information. When you are finished entering attributes, click Submit to save your shape. Attributes are basic pieces of information about the MPA, which can be found by clicking on the MPA name or the polygon and then clicking Attributes. General information is shown first, including MPA size, level of protection, and any information that was added to the MPA when it was created. Habitat representation information can be accessed in either chart or data table form, and it will help you determine how much of a particular habitat is being captured by your shape.